Hey sunshines, welcome to Jane's Creative Life. In today's video, I am showing you a makeover that I did for my client, a before and after of her living room and dining space. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and definitely subscribe if you're not subscribed, and share this video with someone. Like I told you guys, I'm going to be showing you some of the spaces that I decorate and when I purchase some of these decor items, what I do with them. So this is an example video. If you have not checked out some of my reveal videos where I show how I decorate my client's home, please do so. I have them in my playlist. Catch you guys in the next video. Enjoy.